you came to one of my gigs and you said
Yes.
you knew my name maybe as Sanya Sai, and you said my name is Sanyas.
Yeah.
And that was really funny. That's how we met. And yeah, we are here today.
Thank you. Thank you for calling me for this. Yeah, I remember that incident when we were in Twice in Nature.
Yes, yes.
And you were emceeing, and in between your emceeing, you were like, Sanya, Sai, Sanya. And every time you said that, I got so happy. I was like, this guy's saying my name. Like, I was like, oh, coming first time, and he's saying my name. And then later, my friend was like, just read there. That artist's name is that.
Yeah,
He's saying
yeah.
his name. And that's when I met you. And then it just keeps going because we kept meeting each other
Yes,
in Arambol
yes.
for other parties.
I hope you loved the music in my show.
It was a breath of fresh air because there was so much of this techno everywhere.
True.
Psy is there, but not as much as it used to be. So now, and dubstep is something, and reggae and stuff is something that I really got hooked onto when I used to live in the UK.
Wow.
In London.
Yes.
So I went to the Notting Hill Carnival and stuff.
Yeah, big. Yeah.
And they also have Brixton Jam. Brixton Splash or Brixton Jam.
Yes.
Which is basically the Caribbeans when they moved in Brixton. So they celebrate that time. So that time the street parties are on.
True.
And there's jerk chicken everywhere. And then there's big woofers. So for me, coming back to that and finding that kind of stuff in India, in Goa, is like amazing.
Great.
That's really what makes you dance.
True.
Even if you're not intoxicated, you can still
Yeah,
dance on
it's
that
more
music.
like socially chilling with your friends.
Yeah.
And yeah.
And such happy vibes, no?
Yes.
Otherwise, music is so, can be so dark, all the party music these days.
Yes.
And then you see it on people's faces. The dark. I don't want to name it, but we were at this really big Psy rave and whatever. So people who are like happy hippies over here, when they go and they come out, they're like,
Yes.
the energy is too strong. So it's a good place to sort of unwind, and there's so much stress, especially for me. I travel for work. So when I
Okay.
come back, that's good, earth healing, it feels like.
True. So I know about you, but not our viewers. So you give a little introduction about yourself, where you come from, what do you do?
Okay, so I'm a filmmaker. I used to be a filmmaker who turned
Yes.
into an actor. So now I'm an active actor.
Great.
I have done a lot of ad films as a model, and I recently shot a film. And so I'm an actor and a model. But how I started was, I grew up in Lucknow. I was born in Lucknow. When I was 17 years, I was also a national tennis player. So I used to play
Wow,
tennis.
this I had no idea about.
Yeah, and I was playing from 8 till 16. I played. I was the state top seed for many years and all that. But then I was like, I want to explore. I want to go out. I always, I think, was into films. I was always watching films. My dad was like, "Kitta TV dekhti hai," and all that. And I would not watch things like kids or the other people. Yeah, I would. I'd love Govinda, I watched
yeah.
a lot of Hollywood films. But I used to watch a lot of these arts films that were coming out at the time. And I was really young, and I'm watching this Nasiruddin Shah, Farooq Sheikh,
Wow.
serious films.
Yes.
And my mom is like, "Do you really like all this stuff?" And I was like, "Yeah." So anyway, my parents were kind of against being a model and actor
Yes.
in
Indian
Lucknow
family
at
it's
the
a bit-
time.
yes,
Yeah.
Yes.
And so I was like, सामने नहीं जाऊंगी camera के, but I'll do something to do with it, because I used to get
Films.
excited about
Yes.
behind the scenes, but didn't know at the time that there's an education also called filmmaking,
True.
But I did a graduate in design. So even before my board results came, I got through NIFT and NID in my first attempt, which people don't. And then my dad is like, pass ho jaoge? I was like, yeah, dad. So 17, I moved out. Came to Bombay, NIFT, stayed there for 4 years. And I got into video editing myself. I started
Okay.
cutting videos.
Okay.
And then I assisted Sudhir Mishra.
Okay.
So he's a director. He's done a lot of great films. He was a writer, and he's made a lot of cinema since back in the day. So it was a great experience assisting him. But then I realized, being in this country, you need to have the knowledge, otherwise you'll be thrashed left, right, and center.
True.
And you won't even know it.
Yes.
That you like, where am I being cheated? You know, not Sir. Sir was amazing. But the
Yes.
industry itself,
Yeah.
there are 10 other people working with you. So I was like, I want to study more. So that's when I went to London for 3 years, where I studied. I did a diploma in filmmaking.
Mm-hmm.
And I did a MA in film producing. And I made a lot of films over there. But then I came back to Bombay because visa, Brexit was happening, whatever. And like, amazing. The countries outside are amazing, but India is ultimate convenience. Like, I was like, you know what, acha hai ghar pe apna, it's like home,
Yes, true, true.
You don't feel like an outsider here.
Yeah.
So I was like, this is a place where you can explore. But Bombay also was getting hectic because it's city life. And I've done it for like 14 years. I was in Bombay.
Okay.
And then lockdown happened and I was doing direction. I joined the theatre in between to get better at writing.
Okay.
And then people started taking me in their plays and stuff. They're like, you're an actor, Sans. And I didn't even realize. And because of all this film education, it was easier for me to get into the character and stuff. और फिर मुझे क्योंकि knowledge है, तो I'm really useful on set. I don't give my 2 bits unless asked for. But when I do it, sometimes it's useful, gets things done faster.
Mm-hmm.
So anyway, lockdown happened. That changed everything in a good way, in a bad and a good way. And it has its pros and cons.
Mm-hmm.
For actors, how it became better was, मतलब वो जो line लगानी पड़ती थी ना audition के लिए, that thing kind of cut down. So now everything was self-test.
Online.
सब कुछ self-test था.
Okay.
And I was teaching also at the theatre. I was also teaching filmmaking. And my first batch was Salam Bombay kids, which are slum
Okay.
kids.
Okay.
Bro, these kids have come up with some gold, which we'll talk later. But
yeah.
तो फिर ना मैंने डिसाइड करा सेकेंड लॉकडाउन जब होने वाला था या ख़त्म हो रहा था, आई वाज लाइक, यू नो व्हाट, आई एम गोना गो be somewhere else. And this is for the first time that I revolted my parents, because always we have grown up with this, always value the elders, always don't go against them, they've given you this life.
Yes.
This time I was like, no, I fought with them and I was like, no, I'm going to move to Goa for myself. A lot had happened in my life. I had a relationship which completely broke me completely.
Okay.
And then I was like, I feel like I don't belong anywhere. I don't feel like I belong to Bombay anymore. I don't feel like I'm my father's daughter anymore. I don't know. So I wanted to do this for myself. And when I came here, it was so good because I could really, here nobody really knew me. Yeah, they knew me through my work because I was an AD at Malang.
Okay.
So I had come here and a lot of like the locals were a part of the crew and all. So I made a lot of friends. I explored quite a bit. And I was like, नहीं, यहाँ मैं अपना कुछ शुरू कर सकती हूँ,
Yes.
So I came here and I was teaching online. And उसी बीच में somehow Goa was so lucky for me because my acting gigs increased after being in Goa. There's people like, oh, you stay in Goa, how do you manage work? Or don't you want to be in Bombay?
Yeah, that's what I heard from most people. Like, if you want work, you have to be there in Bombay.
I mean, था एक ज़माना जब होना पड़ता था और मैं इतने साल वहाँ पे रही हूँ, 14 साल I'm there, 14 years I've been there.
Yes.
So now people know me, I know them. Now
True.
I also was with an agency, but then I realized I'm getting work on my own.
True.
So once I would say initially when you're starting something and you want to do your networking, you want to be there.
Yeah.
But after that, it's like, okay, let's say if I'm a rat, and I say this, if I'm a rat and this is a race,
Mm-hmm.
I don't really have to be and live with the rats. I can live somewhere else.
Yes.
Being a rat,
Yes.
he saw Ratatouille.
Yes,
He was
yes,
always
yes.
the rats and the clans,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
But when he made friends with the humans, he learned something else from the human and then he could provide back for his community.
Yes.
Now, when I come to Goa, I learned how to ride a bike out of sheer convenience and economical reasons, not to show off.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
उससे मेरा एक acting में एक skill खुल गया.
True.
And the confidence to be like on my own. And here you have like no inhibitions. And being an actor, that's the main thing. You have to be able to express yourself, explore with your own personalities, the 9 shades that you have.
Yeah.
And before all this trauma that happened in my life, I don't think I had unlocked a lot of my emotions. So coming to Goa is like वो स्थिरता बोलते हैं ना, वो आ जाती है.
Okay, yeah. Stability.
Stability. You go out, you do your thing, you're a part of the hustle and bustle. You're back here.
It's like a paradise.
You live a, I'm not saying a long life, but you live a healthier life.
Happier life
Thank
also.
God. And I have so much gratitude because it's not easy for people to make such moves.
True, true.
But it's okay to be selfish sometimes.
Yeah, coming from this family background, you have to fight with your family.
Everything.
Yeah. And you have mentioned about your relationship. Would you like to speak about it?
Not really. Like, I'll tell you something that this is something which my friend had once said to me. And
Okay.
she's like, human beings aren't bad. Boyfriends, ex-boyfriends, girlfriends aren't bad. Your circumstances, your situations are bad.
Yes.
It's just that constant need of being in companionship, trying to, you know. I never was pro the idea of marriage. Never was.
Were you married in this relationship?
Yeah, we were. Like, I
Okay.
was. But not like, then I realized like in a 1 year's time that it wasn't for me. And and it seemed like we both didn't like gel in together.
Okay.
But I don't blame him. I, in fact, bless him for coming in my life, and all that happened made me who I am today. So traumas are good. Maybe that's
You
the
learn from
journey.
them.
You
Yeah,
have to go through it because otherwise you wouldn't know what you are capable of. You know, it's so funny that after this, when I was like, you know, I'm gonna do what I need to do, and I became a little bit of a rebel. I was like, society ने push करके कर दिया शादी.
Mm-hmm.
अभी जो झेल रहा है वो तो हम दोनों झेल रहे हैं ना.
सही बात है.
Society is not fucking dealing
True,
with this.
true, true.
So what you gonna? So then this whole rebel attitude had come. Always was, but never ऐसे नहीं like fucking shamelessly, like, you know. Now I'm like, you know what? I don't care what you think about me. I'm gonna live my life and explore, and I'll do what feels right to me as long as I'm not hurting feelings. I'm not stealing. I'm true to my path. I'm a religious, spiritual person, so I have a fear of God.
Yeah.
As long as you're not doing anything wrong, I think I'm in fact blessed by that relationship to happen to me. I became a new person after that. And yeah, that's when my father agreed. He saw that what is there. Like, he's like, no, you do. And then with acting, I started getting results. So it was all meant to be.
Yeah, it was all falling in the place.
If I had become an actor, say when I was 24, 25, I would be an immature actress who has seen nothing in her life and she's
True.
pretending. But you can't pretend when you're acting. You have to be really true to your feelings and emotions.
What do you think about the actors coming from star families? Like,
I think they're blessed, and see, the thing is that they might be able to get into, and it's not like they don't have their own troubles. They have their own set of. So imagine how much pressure some senior actor from the industry, and then their kid is coming up. How much pressure does that kid actually have?
Actually
Which
true,
people
yes.
ignore that completely.
yes, yes.
They like, हाँ ये तो इसका बेटा है, बच्चा है, इसको काम मिल गया. Bro, fine. Maybe they got job once. But what did they do after that? Like, after your first break, when you started playing, you got
Yeah.
your first break.
Yeah.
And you have given so many friends and people you know a break.
Yes.
But if they're really good, they can then sustain themselves, right?
True.
So maybe they're good actors. That's why they're sustaining. And the kids who are not very good actors,
Yes.
they have flopped after 1 or 2 films, or they've learned
True.
a lesson.
True.
Like Twinkle Khanna is somebody I really admire. And she was Rajesh Khanna's daughter and whatever. She said it in her interview once. She's like, I'm not an act. Like, I realized it after my first few films. I'm not an actor. I can't. And she laughs about it. So it's fine, I think. And this is, dude, businessman का भी बेटा उसका business ही संभालता है, तो it's खून में है, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
It is a different set of challenges for people, not from the, because like for me, I have a challenge. I can't speak for everyone. I'll speak for myself.
Yes.
My first fear is if I'm going for a meeting or an audition, I'm not seen in a light that, you know, in like, okay, she'll do anything to get into that. My biggest fear is that. The touchwood, thankfully, all the jobs and the production houses that I've worked for, really impeccable people. Very good at heart and very clean productions I've done. Never once I've had to encounter that. But yeah, though, for many girls, that's the biggest fear.
Yes.
And some come from very desperate sort of homes and
Situation.
backgrounds
Yeah.
where they just want to make my money, you know.
True.
And there's no shame in it, but them being exploited for the same is again somebody else's karma is adding up there
Yes,
if they're
true.
like trying to. But yeah, I don't think I've in fact, you know what, I'm a very competitive person,
Mm-hmm.
and let's say it's with all these other actors and all that, it's fun for me, you know,
Yeah, obviously.
because
Yeah.
इसमें से अगर निकल के आए तो मतलब कुछ बात है तुम्हारे अंदर.
True.
Irfan Khan is my favorite, like out of the Indian film industry. Not
Mm-hmm.
the most beautiful, like, well, he's very beautiful in his
Yeah.
own features and his
Yeah.
own way. But he's not a typical looking hero. But he's killed it, not just in India, abroad as well.
Yes.
So I don't see myself as a heroine, but I call myself a character artist. I'm an actor.
Cool. So, talking about your acting, what was your first break, or which movie or series did you start working with?
I started acting with theatre.
Okay. Yeah.
So I did 3 years of theatre. I did it from the Jeff Goldberg studio, and Jeff taught me a lot. Like the
Okay.
teachers, my teachers, they're very good institute. There I did plays, theatre for 3 years, and then alongside I started getting ads more. So I did the first ad that I did was Johnny Walker.
Mm-hmm.
Keep walking, and that was done in lockdown, so we had a mask and all. Theatre I love. I would read it.
There was shoot with the mask.
Yeah, because this was during COVID and all that. So the whole
and the
campaign.
ad came out with the mask.
Yeah, everybody
Oh,
has. It's like you cheer. So it's like something cool. It was that it's like you maybe like with the mask you go out, but just keep on walking and go have a cheers or whatever something. It was a fun ad. Theatre is something that I really love. I did a play called The Odd Couple by Neil Simon. That was my favorite. So, so ye karte karte. So the problem was that after theatre, I was getting more of modeling and acting, modeling jobs more.
Yes.
Not fiction. Fiction took a while to sort of land.
Okay.
So the first thing I did, I was in Article 370, the film. But before that, we shot a show for Amazon, now MX Player, which was shot before Article, and it's not released yet. So
Okay.
I think now it's going to release in November, hopefully.
Cool. What's it
Cannot
called?
wait. So I think it's called Till I Die, but I'm not sure because
Okay.
during production it was called That Summer Holiday.
Yeah.
So now I don't know if they've further changed the name. So they're waiting because I think Amazon Mini TV has joined hands with MX Player
Yes,
now.
yes.
So now it'll be released there. So yeah, and now I just did a film actually. So let's see when that happens.
You just are coming from a shoot from Rajasthan.
Udaipur, correct. That was a great experience because being Udaipur away from home for 40 days, this is for the first time. So I was really homesick. for this.
You're back in Goa. I think you're feeling better.
I'm just, it's like it feels like I've delivered a child or something, you know. When your exams are over or something like that, you know. It's like that light feeling. I would say, what could go wrong? You're in Goa. That was my first thing. So, you know, when being in Bombay, there's so much stress, bro. Like everybody
Yes.
on the streets is angry, traffic, everyone
True.
is getting out of their homes angry, they're going to work angry, on the road they're angry, just people are just yelling. Yahi karte rehte hain, like this guy. And there's no conversation. But over here, I'm like, what am I stressed about? Look at all the beauty around you.
True.
You have such beautiful things. Why are you angry? What are you gonna? So that's it. There's this constant rush to be somewhere. Like as I said, na, this gives you stability. That is missing over there. कहाँ पहुँचना है? कहाँ जाना है?
True.
Just be in the moment, na. And for me as an actor, it's very important to just enjoy the moment. So I get that here. I'm blessed.
So, what movie is this which you recently was shooting? What's your role in it? Or
So this film is called Tairaki, which means swimming. This is a sports drama.
okay,
And we are talking about swimming, obviously, but we're also, through the project, we're also talking about how other sports aren't given so much importance in our country. And there's only one sport that kind of takes the cake all the time, and not
it's
just
cricket.
cricket, and like not just sponsors but government, everybody. So through that we've tried to promote something, or with that film, if kids get inspired to swim or join other sport,
True.
I think we would be winners in that. So yeah, so my role is of the coach who
Okay.
used to be a swimmer, but she can't because she had some injury. So now her goal becomes training village kids and taking them to like the nationals and Olympics or whatever. So it's great because it's not about tennis, but having the sports childhood. These were things that I always wanted to speak about, and then I got a platform to speak about it.
That's great.
And yeah, I think it's, again, everything happens for a reason and everything has its time.
True. You looks like a very patient person, and
Man, I had to build this patience. Like, I was the most impatient person
okay.
I knew. And
How
then-
did you build it? Maybe people would love to know how to build patience or how you get stability in life.
I learned the hard way.
Mm-hmm.
Because only when you get kicked in the butt, you realize and you learn. So it's okay to make mistakes. First of all, just embrace them
Yes.
and know that these mistakes are happening for a reason. So you have to go right through it. There's no escaping that. But not that alone. What other thing that really helps me is meditation.
Wow.
I wake up first thing and workouts. But workout is a part of a meditation for me, but a meditation is meditation,
Yes.
And I wake up in the morning, first thing I wake up, I sit for sometimes 30 minutes, sometimes 40 minutes. When I'm shooting, I'll do 20 minutes, but I'll still sit for a meditation every day. Because that changes the way I see life, what's going to happen in my day. And just my attitude towards things. See, you will be put in tough situations, especially in films.
True.
So the only way out is just hold it, like just keep it together. And meditation helps because I'm a very aggressive, very erratic, very short-tempered person. It's like nice and cute, but dude, she's no picnic. There's a monster inside me. So I need the meditation to tame it, sort of. Everybody does. Mine is a
Cool.
little crazier.
Cool.
But yeah, I think meditation helps me a lot.
Okay. When I go and check your Instagram, the first thing I see, you have wrote Dalit. And do you represent them, or what's the story behind that?
Okay, so I'm a Dalit. I'm a scheduled caste person.
Okay.
When I was a kid,
Mm-hmm.
now my father and everybody, they tried. By the way, my dad and my granddad, everybody had to hide their identity and say. So जब ये बोलते हैं ना that नहीं अभी तो नहीं होता, cities में तो नहीं होता, or like it doesn't exist, bro, it exists.
Yeah,
And you know
it
it
does.
exists in Silicon Valley. Like, I don't want to say, but big brands up there will have because they're like, तुम तो reservation से आए हो, so big corporates are not giving promotions or whatever because they're like, oh, you don't have a handicap or whatever. Anyway, so when I was growing up in 12th, they do this like SC likhna, they have to mark it in the boards and
Yes,
whatever.
Yes.
So the teacher casually asked, she did not expect anyone to return an answer. And she's like, any SCs, OBCs? I was like, yeah, I was the only one. And I said it because I knew, and we were raised in a way to like appreciate it. Not,
Yes.
And I'm educated. I've read this all in secularism. I've read about it. So I was like, if I'm educated, I'm going to treat it differently. Anyway, there was a girl in my class, nothing bad. But after the teacher left, she was like, she said, oh, Sania, I'm really proud of you. I was like, why? She's like, it takes guts to say this in public. Now that shit stayed with me. She didn't mean it in a bad way. She
Yeah.
really was appreciative
Yeah.
of me. But imagine what is the kind of conversation going on in that household that a kid my age sees it like, oh, ये तो नहीं बोलना चाहिए, बात चुप करके रहने का. So anyway, so there was this, and I was very open about this. I would always tell people like, so the first question you would always get is, so what's your name? Okay, Sanya. Sanya what? Sanya Sagar. Okay, but so are you Muslim or you Hindu? Where are you from? So I was like, Lucknow. Okay, you're Hindu. I was like, Hindu. अच्छा हिंदू में क्या? This doesn't end here.
True.
तो हिंदू में क्या? तो अब मैं बोल देती हूँ that I'm Dalit. And then the next thing I get is, दिखते नहीं हो, अबे तेरे हिसाब से देखने का है क्या मतलब मेरे को. एनीवेज मेरी नानी बोलती थी ये कहावत, आई डोंट नो हाउ अप्रोप्रिएट इट इज टू से इट, दिस इज लाइक काला पंडित और गोरा चमार से बच के रहना चाहिए. I don't know, my nanny always said it, but anyway, so I was never like vocal like on my Instagram like this, and people have like, oh, but if you will create that difference, then it didn't start like that. So there was this rape case that happened in Hathras. A Dalit girl was raped by the Zamindar's this thing, sons and whatever. और वो सिर्फ उस दिन का इंसिडेंट नहीं है. This was going, I read about it because it was going on for a while. The guy was humiliating the father in public. He will come to his khet and like, you know, ruin his like crops and all. And he's like, please don't ride your bikes here or whatever. So he's like, acha, you gonna tell us? So he was humiliating the father for a very long time. And then eventually his thing was rape the girl. My mom was the chairperson of Commission for Women.
Okay.
When I was growing up. She would come back home depressed and half of the cases were this. चमार लड़की को, दलित लड़की को, छोटी जात की लड़की को जमींदार के बेटे ने, एंड पुलिस हेल्प कर रही है क्योंकि किड्स, 7-year-old गर्ल रेप विद लाइक ब्लड ऑल ओवर देयर, लाइक वो बोल दो बकरे का खून लग गया व्हाटएवर, यू आर नॉट लेटिंग दिस इन्फॉर्मेशन आउट. देयर वाज दिस वन न्यूज़ वेयर राहुल गांधी वाज गोइंग टू सी द किड एंड उसको जाने नहीं दिया एंड पुलिस हैज डन धक्का एंड ही इज फॉलन. I don't know why, I just cried when I was watching it and I made a video. And that's when for the first time I was crying and I was like seeing this on the video and I don't know why. It was a very impulsive act where I just started telling them that how this stuff exists. Because even in colleges and universities, they will make you feel that you're an outcast.
Yes, yes.
एंड ये यहाँ नहीं ख़त्म होता है, ये काम प्रमोशन नहीं मिलेगा, बिजनेस में ने दिक्कत होता है. एंड बिसाइड्स दैट, एंड व्हेन आई पोस्टेड दैट वीडियो इट वेंट वायरल and I was shocked to see so many other Dalit women and people have come up to me, they're like you are giving us so much courage, because it's like अगर एक पंडित खुलेआम बोल सकता है कि मैं पंडित हूँ, क्षत्रिय ठाकुर हूँ मैं, ये है, तो हम क्यों नहीं बोल सकते? Why should we not say it?
Exactly.
Or if you don't want to say it, then surname बंद कर दो ना. Let's not put anybody has a surname.
True.
Where your caste is found out for their surname na. So then I was like, now I'll put, and when I got like a lot of women saying, like some women have said that we've married in a mixed caste situation, I've still not got the respect I deserve from my in-laws.
True. They still have something in their mind against.
या कई लोग इतने जब बर्तन ही अलग होते हैं घरों में, मतलब बहुत ही छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं यार. मंदिरों में नहीं जाने देते. फिर मैंने बाबा साहब के बारे में पढ़ना शुरू करा. You know, he was suited and all, and he came back from his education. He sat on a rickshaw. The rickshaw was like, "Wow, saab aaye." He said, "What is your caste?" So he told him. वो उन्होंने उनको वहीं पे रिक्शा से उतार दिया. This is too big. My Baba, my Dadaji, he was an income tax officer.
Okay.
He had to hide his identity. And one house that he thought that they didn't care or whatever, and he was staying, and there were 2 flats. So niche wali lady, and she would always like put like chimney smoke in their house or whatever. And when the owner found out, apparently my Dadaji, with the family and my dad being really young, they were kicked out of the house midnight, and their house was cleansed with water. Ganga jal se dhula hai and all that. Same with my father. He's like, till the time I built my house, nobody knew her identity. And all this, dad opened up to me much later. So there are so many things which our parents don't tell us.
True.
Because they don't want us to, but bro,
Yeah,
talk
feel a
about
certain way.
it.
Yeah. True.
The point is to talk about it. Let's have the courage to speak about it. So if I can give hope to other Dalit people, maybe one day when I become something, I want to do this. I want to do something for my community.
I think there are a lot of people now fighting also because of internet. There is a lot of power for people who are voicing their voices against this movement. I have seen in India there are a couple of Dalit movements going on.
They're against it, people.
People are, yeah, of course there is a fight. I mean, but
इनको हजम नहीं होता है ना. People don't digest it.
true.
So forget it. Just like LGBTQ communities, they are coming up, they're opening up. So why
Yes.
can't we? If
Yes,
you have a
true,
problem,
true.
don't look, na.
Yes.
there's an adult film. There's, if you have a problem with watching sex on the screen, don't watch it. No, you choose not to watch it. You change the channel.
Exactly.
So let us have our right now. Let us speak. We have the freedom of speech till the time our constitution is safe. Let's use it now.
Yes.
And
I think
there are a lot
constitution
of
is
communities doing it. Correct. वो क्या, I saw this. I really follow this guy Samdesh. I love watching his interviews. He did this now. There was this Bodh Gaya or Bodhi village where Gautam Buddha
Yes, yes.
got his enlightenment.
Yes.
That's a full Dalit village.
Okay.
And you should see the condition. Watch that video. It's amazing.
Okay. Sure.
Like, I was in tears when I watched it, because he's like, that's where Gautam Buddha had the, or you know, also that Dalit mein Gautam Buddha ko pray karte hain na, because there's no religion like that. And वहीं के लोग जो वहाँ पे रह रहे हैं, they have such tough conditions. They're living in their village is separate. एक school है. Some kids, they're like, खाना मिल गया तो खा लिया, नहीं मिला तो नहीं खाया. Like, it's so sad. And you
True.
think that you're living in these big cities and it doesn't exist? Bro, it's happening under your nose.
True. It shouldn't happen. I mean, we are all equal, born as humans, same blood. I know it is very, you know, how people discriminate each other through caste is a very bad thing. Hopefully, we in the future get to a equal point where each other understands.
This though goes far back, man. The flaws in
true.
the
It's-
system
it's
in the back.
historical. Yeah, I know. Very. Let's make the conversation a bit lighter.
Light.
Now we got.
Yeah. I have so much passion to talk about it. But
No,
yeah.
we should talk about it. I mean, that's why I asked you the question, and we should voice whatever we feel and where we come from. Our roots does matter.
Yeah.
So how after you coming to Goa, how is your schedule? How is your lifestyle?
Okay, so when the season is on,
Uh-huh.
then I wake up in the morning and I'll do my meditation and stuff.
Yes.
I will, after my coffee, then I'll have my coffee or whatever. I'll go to the loo and all, freshen up and everything. Hey, everybody goes to the loo to
Yeah,
freshen up. It's
sure.
okay to talk about it. So then after that, I'll work out and I'll do a 1.5 hour workout. So when season is on, like Jay was there, one of our friends is
Yes,
the
yes,
surfing
yes.
teacher.
Yes.
So I would go in the morning because I'm trying to learn surfing and stuff. So, but
great.
morning time is the best time to swim in the sea. So I
Yes.
love that. But not season time, then workout. Then I'll start with my day. So if like there's auditions and stuff, whatever, I'll do that. But now I started riding. So,
Wow.
So I have a bike. So now I practice. I go like little this time. I'll go to like, but mostly also being an actor, like I have so much traveling to do. And then when you're traveling, you're staying in hotels. So when I come back, I really like my time at home with my 2 doggies.
Mm-hmm.
There's a pool right there. But beach, sunsets, beach, mornings, beach time. But yeah, it's like soak up the nature as much as you can. Baki, I like being at home a lot. I love watching a lot of stuff. I watch a lot of stuff. I read a lot. Yeah.
That's how you get your inspiration to write or in your modeling or acting.
ब्रो
Does it
ये
help?
सब लोग सोचते हैं कि एक्टिंग पढ़ाई वढ़ाई छोड़ के एक्टिंग कर लेते हैं, लेकिन एक्टिंग में सबसे ज़्यादा पढ़ाई करनी पड़ती है. You have to analyze text.
True, true.
And yeah, you can see people fail at just seeing that text and not being able to articulate. So reading helps with that.
Mm-hmm.
Reading also is knowledge. So
Yes.
like knowing more about things. So the more you know about things, being an, like if I have to play a surgeon, I will not need to know more about being a surgeon. Only then I can,
True.
do justice to that
Yes.
character. So I love reading. Like recently, I love writing. I write poems and stuff also. I don't like rap and all like you guys. But I can write poems and shit because I express my feelings better that way.
Yes.
Because मैं बचपन से अकेली थी ना, like 15 साल तक तो I was an only child. Then my brother happened.
Okay.
So for me, I deal with my issues that way. Never had a sibling growing up.
How about your present dating situation? Are you dating someone? Are you single? What you would like to say?
देखो मैं अच्छी खुश नहीं अच्छी लग रही like I think
So you're
I
saying
think my happiness is with my sanity is with me.
yes.
I have tried being relationships are beautiful,
True.
but it is a compromise. It is tough work.
Of course. So you suggest not to be in a relationship?
No, no,
or-
please be by all means. I don't have the patience for that right now
Okay.
because I have too much work also. Like,
Okay, yes, yes.
you know, if I'm not work, I will not go there and be stressed कि इधर क्या बोलना है, इधर जाना है. एक तो हर किसी को जवाबदारी में नहीं दे पाती, you know, like
Okay. Yeah,
being
yeah, yeah.
answerable all the time. Dude, again, not questioning anybody who's in a happy relationship. I think it's beautiful. I'm just not designed for it right now. Enjoy my time. I just be in the moment. If I'm spending a good time with somebody and it's beautiful, that's great moment spent. All good things come to an end,
True.
just like our life.
Yeah, yeah.
So enjoy it while you can. चला चला चला, नहीं चला तो ना सही ब्रो, आगे बढ़ो.
Great,
Life
great.
is too short to, you know, in this day and age, वैसे भी तो कितनी टेंशन है ब्रो लाइफ में. And then you have that tension at home and in your personal life. That's when you should be like, chal abhi, step, put it aside. Let's carry on.
You're focused on work.
Is
Yeah.
very constant right now. Yeah. And my energy deviates. फिर मैं प्यार में होती हूँ, मैं प्यार ही में पड़ जाती हूँ. फिर काम नहीं होता फिर.
तो अभी आपको फिल्म से प्यार है.
अभी तो बस मुझे अपनी क्राफ्ट से प्यार चल रहा है बस. Like I just want to be fully, wholly, completely dedicated to it and nothing else.
So are there any interesting future projects coming?
So like I said, this film will release.
Yes.
I did a very good Hollywood film
Wow.
with it's also based on somehow all the films I've done are very women centric and they talk about a social issue, which is great. So that film I'm waiting for it to release, and this show will release in November. So there's things coming up, but I'm not locked for any new other there's
Okay.
actually another oh god damn, I have actually 4 films coming out. 3 films
Wow.
and 1 web show coming out.
You look very busy.
ओ गॉड, मतलब निकल तो आई कब 2-2.5 साल से साला रिलीज ही नहीं हो पा रहा है. आई जस्ट होप इट रिलीजेस नाउ. हो जाएगा सब जो पंचों की राय हो जाएगा, बट ठीक है. सो या दैट्स इट एंड आई एम राइटिंग समथिंग.
Cool. So you are planning more to write. You started from producing films or?
या आई रियलाइज समथिंग इन इंडिया ब्रो. यहाँ पे ना सिर्फ भगवान मतलब एक्टर की वैल्यू होती है. दुनिया वाले ना नॉर्मल मासेस दे थिंक एक्टर भगवान है. मंदिर है ना साउथ में इन लोगों की तो.
हाँ. True.
So you see how I am.
Yes.
People would think that ये क्या picture बनाएगी, and my passion was to write and create and direct. Then I was like, bro, this is what they want. I'll give them what they want. I'll become an actor, and acting is fun. To be fair, as compared to a producer or even a director, I feel as an actor you are most connected with just the creative process of the
Yes.
story.
Yes.
Your job is to convey the story.
Yes.
So you're mostly creatively involved. So are directors, but directors have other technical things to also look at. So I enjoy acting a lot. But I've also been an active part on the set. तो वो मैं देखती हूँ ना जब कुछ स्लैक हो रहा था तो तब वो असली मेरा जो नॉन पेशेंस है ना तब निकल के आता है. इट्स लाइक शिट, ऐसे मत कर, अरे सैंड बैग डाल, सी सैंड गिर जाएगा, whatever. But yeah, so I was like, if you want me to be an actor, I'll be an actor and then I will have enough credibility. सामने से आएगा पैसे लेकर कि ये ले तू बना. That's what I'm waiting for.
Yeah. If your art is really good and your story is really good, I think it comes in the picture by itself. People will.
Yeah, and I
recognize
feel like
it.
I'm learning a lot as an actor. Being a filmmaker, मतलब तुम सीख जाती हो, learn all the technicality, but
Yes.
वो जो soul नहीं है ना, वो soul नहीं आ रहा था मेरे के अंदर. That came with acting.
Cool.
So I
Interesting.
think that way, yeah. One day I will produce. I produced quite a bit of my stuff in the past, but I want to be the girl who's like produced and acted in her projects as well.
Cool.
Let's see
You
if I'll
will.
manifest it right.
We
it'll
hope
have-
you do.
you will
everything.
also have a role in that film. Actually, it's based in
Actually,
Goa.
I would like to share one incident recently
Yeah.
happened. There was a shoot happening in Arambol. I don't know why they choose it.
Oh wow!
There was Darshil Safari,
Oh nice.
and there was one more guy. I didn't knew him, and there was a very big in Dabang. He's a villain. Okay, I don't really know
Okay.
his name. He's a villain in this story also, I guess. And I was the DJ in between, and they are dancing. I hope it gets released.
It will. If it has Darshil and all these guys, it will. So Malang ki shooting ki time pe bhi. And I was handling 600 extras. And they were all the party crowd of Arambol.
Oh yes.
So at the time we didn't have a mic. And XP Voodoo, you know, the DJ.
Yes,
and
yes,
I was
yes.
screaming and he was there. Then XP Voodoo was screaming for me. And then I was saying something. And then he was saying it in Russian for the crowd and everything. It was a great experience. But the DJs were the DJs in that.
Yes.
Yeah, that's where I met all this Sufi and all these guys basically.
Cool.
But yeah, that's when I was like, और ऐसा कुछ मुझसे नहीं है, वो गोवा में रहकर भी खूब काम हो जाता है. कितना
हाँ.
काम करती है भाई तुम लोग, इन लोग कितना काम करते हैं
Yes,
bro.
yes, yes.
People are busy all the time.
People
सांस
are-
लेने को टाइम नहीं है.
I think people are really passionate in Goa, you know, and they on their art, like, but they are not getting out in the picture. But here, if you see, there are really interesting things happening, and people
Yeah.
are dedicated to it.
And it's very inspiring for me. You know, I grow a lot within these people around this side. I learn so much because they all are coming in with a fresh perspective, traveling and then coming back to the city.
Yes.
So they bring in a lot.
Cool.
So even when I was in London, I chose not to have Indian friends. I chose to be friends with everybody.
You were in London for 3 years.
3 years.
Okay.
2014 I went and 2017 I
So
left.
how was your time in London?
Those were the best days of my life. I can't tell you how happy. Dude, I became a human being there. I learned things the hard way. You know, just Indians mein na.
You just lived by yourself alone? Or?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, I was staying with a friend last year, but mostly I was alone. I like exploring cities and countries. And कोई country को समझना है ना, ये 10 दिन की holiday पे जानते हो ना, that's not the way
That's
to
true.
study.
That's true.
Study मतलब a place. If you really want to be in a place, you go and be there for like 2 months at least.
Yeah.
Then you really know. And I like seeing the local life of it.
Mm-hmm.
So I was, like I said, I was only in Brixton, I was in
Yeah.
Peckham. Oh my God, the street parties that. But वहाँ पे freedom है ये सब करने के लिए,
True.
you know. There's a system. So that system supports people like us to sort of thrive over there. जो थोड़ा इधर इंडिया में मिसिंग है, टैलेंट बहुत है, क्रिएटिविटी भी बहुत है, बट वो सिस्टम नहीं है जो सपोर्ट कर जाए इन लोगों
That's
को.
true. Our government doesn't really appreciate art, I guess.
आई थिंक ये जो लीडर्स है ना, इन लोगों को आई थिंक दे नीड टू एक्सप्लोर द वर्ल्ड. They
Yes.
don't have the exposure that maybe you and I have. Yeah, they're seeing it with, like, let's say, the science of it.
True. They can't be
Political
like us
science
going.
आता है, yeah. They know the science of it. They know on
Yes.
paper क्या करना है.
Yes.
But for, like, why is Obama? Because he's lived like a student. He knows what goes down within the students. He's seen the life, you know. I think our leaders should be sent on like a escapade. Go to Amsterdam, chill, party karo thoda sa.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Because you'll open up your mind now.
True.
That's all. They need to loosen up a bit, I feel, our leaders. When they loosen up a little bit, then they'll be able to give so much.
I just, for me personally, I think if you make a place in the whole country, you just make one place. It can be Goa. You just make one place, one area in Goa, if not whole Goa, and let them be free. Let them do what they want to do. Because there are a lot of restrictions.
नहीं, but there's also the pros and cons to it, no? Because see, you can't lift a restriction of a certain group of people. So let's say you do that for this group of people, you have lifted restriction, तुम करो. अभी ये दूसरा जो ये ग्रुप किसी और सिटी से आ रहा है, वो भी देखा, उसको भी चाहिए. अभी ये लोग तो कर रहे हैं, मतलब बचपन से वो काम, इन लोग अभी आके कर रहे हैं, वो यहाँ आके ना पागल हो जाते हैं. So
सही
there's
बात है.
उनकी भी एक situation है, I understand, but I wish they could come up with a creative design solution to this.
True.
But yeah, I think, but what I like about our side, this side, Arambol, is that still there's little Goa alive.
Yeah.
You know what I do think for Goa is like, but then again, it's so debatable.
Maybe you're very far away from the mic. Just.
But
yeah.
I'm saying it's so debatable that, like, you can't really tell them to stop letting other people make clubs and restaurants over here. because they think it's adding to the economy. But kaise? Because they're outsourcing these waiters and staff is coming from outside. You have your in-house kitchen. So pehle ke time mein kya hota tha, beach pe we were having parties and the village ladies will come and make anda and all.
Yes.
Vibes.
Yes.
It's fun.
True.
And I would love to. But if every club is providing fancy food, every club has started to do. So this gritty vibe is not there anymore.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
that's what I love about this place even. Like what these guys have done. And so I love Arambol because still the old city is still intact a little bit.
I think it mostly happened after lockdown. People started to come and explore Goa as a business
Yeah,
place.
but Goa though was getting ruined for like 10 years already now. Before even.
True.
When I was 19 years old, I was in NIFT, right? Khargar, तब हम आते थे. So that time, अब those time also people were like 10 साल पहले गोवा कुछ और था. मेरे को पता है. लेकिन अभी जो मैं देखती हूँ भाई 10 साल वो तो last ही 10 साल था जो उसका
So
कुछ
you
था.
came to Goa when you were 19?
Yeah. Then
Wow.
I ended up coming every year. Because college वहीं था, गाड़ी थी.
हाँ हाँ.
Third year में गाड़ी ले ली थी because I used to travel a lot in the local bus, train and all that. So my dad was like, saw my feet and all and he's like, chal, take this little choti si gaadi. But after I ghasot quite a bit in my life. But yeah, that's what I saw. It's like a good lifetime of struggle. So वो भी तो यहाँ भी जब आते थे, अरे ट्रेन में चढ़ के आए हैं, जनरल का टिकट खरीद कर टीटी को पटाकर and all that. Shouldn't cut it later, I don't know, but yeah, done all that because घर पे तो बताते नहीं थे, छुप के आते थे. So that's when you really explore the city. This exposure I'm saying people need to
True.
run a country.
True. From a layman perspective, if you go and explore things, you get more educated. Would you like to share some funny or controversial moments from any of your movies, sets? Do you have some memories?
Oh God, there's so many. Yeah, wow, shit, you put me in a spot now. I have to think about it. A lot of funny incidents actually from my set. This recent one.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you can go with the recent one too. How was your shoot, by the way, the recent one? You were happy with it, or?
I think I'm very happy with it because I think I was manifesting it. I was like, because I'm tennis player, no? Oh, you okay? Oh yeah, she's okay. So I was like, Sania Mirza पे कभी picture बने ना, तो मेरे को वो role play करना है. So not tennis, but some other sport happened. So I'm quite happy. But yeah, first the people were like, will she have reservations to go in the lake and all? Because we were also shooting in the village. But then they realized that if she goes inside that water body once, she will not come out. So when they were all going for lunch break and all that, I was just swimming there and they're like, Didi, वहाँ पे वो है, crocodile है and all. I was like, अब तो दादा खाना होगा तो खा लेगा. तो मैं तो नहीं enjoy करना बंद करूँगी, you know. So it was like that. But yeah, I think I had a great time because as an actor, you have to wait a lot.
Yes.
So on my waiting days, I would explore the city, go around. I think it was fun walking around the old city and stuff like that. Fun incident, क्या मैं बताऊँ मुझे कुछ ऐसे, it's nothing coming on top of my head.
It's okay. We can do some other time maybe.
Yeah.
We can ask more about fitness. What do you suggest people, like if they want to be fit, if they are into busy schedules like acting or modeling? How do you keep yourself fit? I know you do gym, you do meditation, you also are a swimming.
See, the
person.
idea and the definition of fit is very different for different people.
Yes.
For me, some people like being very skinny and that's their fit.
Yes.
For me, I like having a little muscle, that's
Yeah.
my fit.
Yes.
Some people think that थोड़ा सा पेट होना चाहिए तो अच्छा हेल्दी होता है वो, तो वो उनका फिट है. मेरे हिसाब से fit is as long as you're active and your system is cleansing out everything that you're
True.
eating and there's a good system going on. That is fit and that your energy is not going down at all. So for me, I do a 1.5 hour workout, but
Yes.
sometimes when I can't work out, when there was this lockdown time, I had Nike training app and it's free of cost. It's
Okay.
amazing when people do some good for the society for no
Yes.
money.
Yes.
That's appreciated. So there was a home workouts and everything, which were great. But now I have like weights and stuff. But more than that, I focus on my food. So yeah, like now the shoot is over. Now I wanna like indulge a little bit. But yeah, on a regular basis, I will avoid carbs. I
Okay.
don't do milk because I'm allergic also.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, if you like cut down, if you're just very conscious of what you're eating,
True.
half the battle is won there.
Yes.
खाना बहुत important है.
Everything starts from your diet. Like people do a lot of exercise, lot of physical activities, but they have never focused on their diet.
अरे तुम जितना लोहा वहाँ पे जाके दग लो. If you're gonna come and eat pizzas and if you this it's basically to train your mind. I think the human body doesn't need 3-4 times a day like food.
True.
Okay, for bulking up, bodybuilding, they say 5 बार खाना है and
Yes,
all. That's a
yes.
different thing.
Yes.
But like I wake up, I'll have my coffee, then I'll have a fruit first thing to open my fast with, like whatever. Then I'll have lunch or whatever. As long as you're not feeling low on energy,
Yes.
like जो 6-7 बार खाने का, तो वो snacking की जो आदत हो जाती है ना, that's your worst enemy.
Cool. Hope everyone keeps a very good conscious diet.
Eat a lot of salad, I'd say.
Yes. I am trying to eat a lot of salads these days.
Yeah. भले कुछ और मत खाओ, salad खा लो.
So I think we have covered a lot,
of it.
and we would love to cover a lot more in the future.
When my film's releasing.
Yeah. What is the last suggestion for people who want to come into this profession of modeling or acting? What's your suggestion? How to get in, or how to connect, how to network?
I think it's very important to educate yourself, learn the craft,
Yes.
read as much as you can, and कोई बहुत पैसे खर्ची करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. A lot of master classes are online or whatever. But yeah, don't think just because you look good or you're pretty, you can do this. Even for modeling, it's
Yes.
hard work. And you have to have your stamina up because it's hard work. Like when I say
True.
you're working in extreme conditions, models also, like actors as well, and you have to you're working odd hours, so you have to really figure a way, I think, connect with your own body and soul in a way that whatever situation you're put in, you're not gonna cry and crib.
Yes.
Because being an actor is a very tough job because a lot of people are dependent. सबने कर दिया, lighting कर दिया, सब कर दिया. If you go there and fail and throw a fit, now a lot of that comes with experience and education also. So educate yourself and don't ever lie about a skill that you don't have. Be honest.
Be honest to yourself.
Be honest to yourself to begin with. But education is key. और फिर करते रहो, लगे रहो. Don't give up. If you're really passionate about it, time लगेगा. लेकिन जब click होएगा ना, एकदम से click होएगा. It's
Great.
consistency is key basically.
Yes. In anything, I guess, consistency is the key. So coming towards the end, it was a great conversation with Sania.
Yes, it was amazing.
Hope you guys like, subscribe our channel, and we will come back with
like
more.
and subscribe. Is it gonna be
Yeah,
like that?
it may be
like here.
wherever it is. You just have to do, and we will get more and more interesting people on our podcast. We are here at our party place called Rehab in Arambol. We had great times here, and see you guys again soon.
Peace.